Hey guys, Tony Maritato here, physical therapist. Welcome to the knee replacement support group. In this video, I want to talk about the shift in mindset that has to happen once you pass about 12 weeks, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months post-op after a knee replacement. So what am I talking about? I treat a lot of patients who have complications after knee replacements. They don't get the range of motion that they want. They don't get the elimination of pain that they were expecting. There are different things that frustrate different people, but in this video specifically, I want to talk about range of motion. So to say that after 6 weeks, it's impossible to gain range of motion is obviously just crazy. 12 weeks is a reasonable time frame when we're thinking about the post-surgical range of motion. But that doesn't mean you're never going to get range of motion if you don't get it by 12 weeks. All that means is that you're shifting gears to get range of motion in different ways. So think about this for an example. I've never done yoga. I'm a physical therapist. I love exercise. I work out in all different ways. I've never done yoga in my entire life. If I started doing a yoga pose today, do you think I would have the same flexibility, the same range of motion, the same mobility as if I was doing yoga 12 months from now? So every day for 12 months, I do yoga, I hit a certain pose. Do you think my range of motion would improve? Absolutely. Why would it improve? Because I am consistently applying a stimulus to the joint, to the connective tissue, to the muscle around it, and my body is going to adapt to that stimulus. So to say that if you don't gain your range of motion in 12 weeks is just short-sighted. It's not taking into account that human bodies are incredibly adaptive. They can change forever. I don't care if you're 8 or 80, your body can change if you impose the right kind of stress at the right amount of intensity, at the right frequency and duration. So think about that the next time you're fearful, you're frustrated, you're angry that you didn't get the range of motion you wanted, because you have to take a step back and say, well, wait a minute. What if I never even had surgery? What if I just wanted to gain flexibility? What about the 9,999,000 programs that are available online that help individuals gain flexibility, mobility? What about them? You absolutely can continue to improve range of motion well past the normal 12-week post-op time frame. You just have to be consistent, you have to be patient, and you have to essentially treat it like a job. Treat it like you're an athlete. You can't push every single day at maximum intensity, right? The best athletes in the world are only training a portion of the time. The rest of the time is dedicated to recovery, and I guarantee there has to be more recovery time than work time. Because if you're working every single day, your body never gets a chance to adapt, to improve, to get healthier, get stronger, get more mobile, more flexible. Your tissues break down. There has to be that work-rest cycle, and typically the rest is longer than the work. So all of these factors come into play. And the best advice I can give you is to just say, use your common sense, use, the people around you, your professional team. If one person doesn't understand the concept, find somebody who does. Go look outside of physical therapy. Sometimes the best people to work with are the personal trainers, the strength coaches, those people that are essentially professionals at helping healthy individuals become healthier, because now you're one of those healthy individuals. You don't have the osteoarthritis in the joint. You don't have the issues with the cartilage, the degenerative change. That stuff's all gone. So now what we need to do is approach the knee, the body, the entire system in a new way to achieve new goals. Guys, I'm just rambling. I hope this made sense in some capacity. You absolutely can always increase range of motion, and conversely, you can always lose range of motion. If you sat in a recliner for the next 8 hours a day for the next 12 months, you're probably gonna be more stiff than if you're exercising and active and going out and hiking and fishing and doing all the things that you love doing. So Guys, as always, I appreciate the support. And if you want to show your thanks, please subscribe to the channel. Your subscription helps me grow, helps me reach a larger audience. And that's ultimately what I want. I just want to help more people. And with the current state of affairs, I know a lot of people aren't getting into therapy, and they're certainly not getting the therapy they need. At least this is a voice coming out of the shadows. Hopefully that will bring some peace of mind. I'll catch you guys on the next video.